When searching for the right locksmith, keep these important things in mind. Your best choice for a locksmith will have a license to perform services in your state, as well as the appropriate insurance coverage, both of which should be accurate and up to date. These two important aspects will protect you should something go wrong during repairs. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a professional locksmith that's right for you. 1. The credibility of a locksmith is important. What memberships, associations, awards, and/or accreditations can they discuss? 2. A smart locksmith will keep in touch with new products and technology in the marketplace through participating in ongoing training on a regular basis. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right locksmith. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website